There are two main parts to making a song or a melody. The first is the notes you use, as we've explored in the last few videos, and the second is timing. Timing is how long you play a note for and when you play it. If I play the exact same notes as Jingle Bells, but hold them for different lengths of time, it sounds like a completely different song. So timing is almost as important as the notes you're hitting. To help out with timing, it's useful to tap your foot in a constant, steady pace. In the last video, we got an introduction to timing when you played along with me in the note changing exercises. This time we're going to do the same thing, but now we're aware of the timing. Okay, so to count Jingle Bells, what you're going to do is use one beat for almost every note. There's just a few notes that change. When we play the open first string the 6 times at the beginning, the first 2 are 1 beat, then the third one is 2 beats, and then the 4th and 5th are 1 beat, and the 6th is 2 beat. So if I count that, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when we move on, the next 4 notes are going to be just 1 beat, and then when we move back to the open first string, that's going to be 4 beats. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from then on, every single note of the song, or for the rest of the song, is just 1 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can try that out on your own or with me, tapping your foot, and I'll count along. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.